Have you ever seen a peacock in a chicken's coop? Welcome to the channel. This is where you review and critique $1 million properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're gonna do 1625 Summit Ridge Drive, Beverly Hills Post Office, 90210, 7 bedroom, 11 bath, 19,000 square foot, listed for $45,950,000. That pricing tells me they would take 45, okay? And it sits on a 34,368 square foot of land. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that information, you should contact the listing agents, okay? 3 things I love about this property. The third best thing that I love about this property is the views. Unobstructed, close and personal Century City. I know it's not downtown LA, it's number 3, but it's close, personal, beautiful views. The second best thing I love about this property is the lot utilization. This little property sits like a little sexy peacock in the middle of the lot. You have a massive frontage, you have a decent sized backyard, you have side yards, and you have a pickleball court, and all while it's southwest facing. I mean, you can't beat it. You gotta give it to them. It's a beauty. The number 1 thing I love about this property is the freaking privacy. No one looks into this property. I swear this better sell to a celebrity because there's few properties like this. It's actually really, really good. Now, according to Zipsmart.ai, 50% more supply than the same time last year in this zip code, 125% more new supply of homes than last month. And then both demand month over month and year over year has gone down, and the median days on the market is going up. It's at 65. That's not good for real estate. Now, 3 things I hate about this property. The third worst thing about this property is the fact that the finishes are great in some areas, okay? I'm not gonna say, like, this room is great, the other areas are nice, I like the chandeliers, but it's a moulage of finishes. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, it's not a TGV terminal business class lounge in Montpellier. No, it means that it's just a hodgepodge of different type of finishes. Look at how many different chandeliers they've used. Look at all the counters and material used in the kitchen. It's just a little bit too much, and I don't think they had to go, maximalism with the finishes to show off. They could have kept it a little bit more classy. The second worst thing that I don't like about this property is the fact that the facade is just not that impressive. It doesn't have panache. The number 1 thing I don't like about this property, it's listed for $45 million. Look, it is a peacock. Absolute beauty of a peacock, but it's in a chicken's coop. There hasn't been another sale in this area over $14 million in the last 5 years. I checked on the MLS. Not saying it's worth 14, higher than that, definitely, but it's definitely not 45 either. If you want me to help you price this property, you can contact me directly. I think I know a few things about pricing. And if you like this video, you would like one of these boxes next to my head. Try to punch me in the face and I'll dodge it like this, right? Click. Boom, boom, boom. And visit Zipsmart.ai if you want a dashboard for cheap before it gets expensive. Tell me in the comments how much you think it's gonna sell. See you guys in the next video. Get out of here.